Welcome back to Daco, where we turn small outdoor spaces into beautiful garden escapes filled with charm and personality. Today, we're exploring a charming courtyard garden design featuring repurposed rustic accents that bring warmth, creativity, and timeless beauty into even the tiniest corners of your home. Whether you have a narrow patio, compact backyard, or hidden courtyard, this design inspiration will help you create a magical retreat. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the Daco channel for more inspiring home garden ideas, creative landscaping tips, and relaxing outdoor transformations. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment sharing your favorite courtyard design element or rustic decoration idea. Now, let's step into this cozy courtyard oasis where weathered wood, vintage containers, blooming flowers, and soft natural textures come together to create a peaceful and welcoming atmosphere. The beauty of a small courtyard begins with a thoughtful layout that maximizes every inch of available space. In this design, narrow walkways are softened with gravel paths and surrounded by lush greenery, creating the feeling of a hidden garden retreat tucked away from the busy world. Layering plants at different heights adds depth and dimension to the compact area. Tall potted shrubs anchor the corners, while climbing vines decorate the walls and cascading flowers spill gently over rustic containers. This layered effect makes the courtyard feel larger, fuller, and more inviting. To maintain a cozy atmosphere, the seating area is positioned at the center of the courtyard using reclaimed wooden benches and a simple vintage table. This creates a comfortable gathering space where nature and rustic charm blend beautifully together. One of the most enchanting features of this courtyard garden is the use of repurposed rustic accents. Old wooden crates become charming flower planters, while vintage ladders are transformed into vertical displays for herbs and trailing greenery. Rusty watering cans, antique buckets, and worn ceramic pots add texture and character throughout the garden. These weathered pieces bring a sense of history and authenticity, making the courtyard feel both artistic and personal. even discarded furniture can become a stunning garden feature. An old chair covered with flowering vines or a reclaimed window frame leaning against a wall creates a unique focal point that instantly elevates the rustic atmosphere. Soft, romantic flowers are essential for creating a charming courtyard garden. Roses, lavender, petunias, and daisies fill the space with color, fragrance, and gentle movement that enhances the relaxing outdoor environment. Mixing greenery with flowering plants creates balance and visual harmony. Ferns, ivy, and small ornamental grasses provide texture while allowing colorful blooms to stand out naturally throughout the courtyard. Container gardening also plays a major role in small space beauty. Using a variety of rustic pots and planters allows flexibility in arranging plants while adding decorative interest to every corner of the courtyard. Lighting transforms this courtyard garden into a magical evening retreat. Warm string lights draped overhead create a soft glow that makes the entire space feel intimate and welcoming after sunset. Lanterns placed along pathways and candle holders positioned on rustic tables add layers of cozy illumination. The flickering light reflects beautifully against weathered wood, stone surfaces, and leafy plants. For a peaceful finishing touch, a small water feature introduces calming natural sounds into the garden. The gentle trickling of water combined with soft lighting creates a tranquil courtyard atmosphere perfect for relaxation. In compact courtyards, vertical gardening is one of the best ways to maximize beauty without overcrowding the area. Hanging baskets, wall-mounted planters, and trellises allow plants to grow upward while keeping the floor space open and airy. Using a consistent color palette also helps small spaces feel cohesive and elegant. Neutral rustic tones paired with soft pinks, whites, and natural greens create a calming visual flow throughout the courtyard design. Finally, adding personal handmade details makes the garden feel truly special. Hand-painted pots, DIY wooden signs, and creatively repurposed items bring warmth and personality into the courtyard while reflecting your unique style. This charming courtyard garden proves that even the smallest outdoor spaces can become breathtaking retreats filled with rustic beauty, lush greenery, and creative repurposed accents. With thoughtful styling and a touch of imagination, any courtyard can be transformed into a cozy sanctuary. We hope today's garden inspiration encourages you to experiment with rustic decorations, layered planting, and cozy outdoor details in your own home garden. Small spaces often hold the greatest opportunities for creativity and charm. Thank you so much for watching Daco. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite courtyard garden idea. We'll see you again in the next beautiful garden inspiration video.